Hey Boredom Crafters, in today's video we'll be making DIY stickers. Let's get started. You'll need paper, some baking paper, scissors, clear tape, pencil, eraser, and pens. I'm going to use the pens to trace my pencil so the drawings will be more vibrant and will show better. And of course colors to color your drawings. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is to draw your stickers. Now, of course, you can print out stickers, but I like to draw them so they're more personalized and special. So the first thing I'm going to draw is a pencil. I'm going to use a technique called mandala. You basically draw a drawing and then you decorate it using patterns on the inside of it. So I'm going to draw circles, zigzags, patterns. You can choose whatever pattern you want. Make it express yourself, make it special. Now I'm going to draw a pencil, a leaf, and a beaker because I can use these stickers on my notebooks. For example, the pencil for English class, the leaf for biology, and the beaker for chemistry. Okay, now it's time to trace our drawings. 1, 2, 3. I also drew a few extra drawings that I can turn into stickers. After tracing your drawings, you can erase the pencil markings using an eraser. Finally, now for my favorite part, the coloring. I'm going to use watercolor brush pens to color. What I like about watercolor brush pens is that you can automatically turn them into watercolors by just adding water. So the first thing I'm going to color is the pencil. And then I'm going to continue with the rest of the drawings. As you can see with the beaker and the leaf, I added water to the colors to make a new unique color. Once you're done coloring your drawings, you can cut them out. And now for the most important part, turning the stickers into actual stickers. This is where the grease paper comes in place, or the baking paper. Since baking paper is a little clear and I'm using green screen for this video, baking paper didn't turn out really good with green screen. And also with the clear tape, it was really laggy. So I'm going to have to stick with the neon green screen for the rest of the video. Okay, so now you can stick some tape onto the baking paper and then glue the stickers on. Now you don't have to glue the stickers on, but I like to do this step so I make sure that the stickers stay in place and don't fall apart. Now you can put another layer of tape over your stickers and then trace them with your fingernails to make sure that they stay in place. And now you can cut out the stickers. Make sure that between the end of the tape and the sticker there's a little space so that the sticker doesn't fall apart and stays the way it is. Do the same steps for the rest of the stickers. Put a layer of tape, stick the sticker on, and then put another layer of tape and then cut out the sticker. Now your stickers are ready for you to use them. You can stick them wherever you want. There are endless possibilities. On your laptop, on your notebook, on your water bottle, wherever. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you for watching!